Hey, how is it going? We'll share with you one really interesting life hack. So if you're somewhere in the wild where there's no hospitals, no pharmacy, so well, as you see, I injured my leg, and yesterday it was 2 times bigger. So now we have small improvements with this wonderful natural, let's say Ayurveda or whatever you can call the remedy for take off inflammation. It works for everyone same? I don't think so, because it's really personal and it depends what kind of injury you had. So I just fell and I have a huge inflammation up there. So basically I'll put the leaves everywhere on overnight, because during the daytime I was super busy, but if you stay home do nothing, well, you can keep it all day long. So we just put our super natural organic cabbage from local farmers. Is it organic and genetic modified cabbage work in the same way? I cannot tell you. I didn't done that research. As you see the result, it works not that good, but it works for me. So it gets small already, and hopefully tomorrow it will be even smaller. So basically I put like really randomly, and I'll keep it overnight for take off the inflammation without any cream, medicine or whatever. So if you somewhere in hiking like I'm right now, or just traveling, so it might be one of the really cool useful tips. So basically a lot of stuff you can use it like for your health, let's say like a garlic and cabbage and many other things for different purposes, and different other grasses, let's say, without any medicine or so on. But if you have a chance, of course, much better to go and visit a doctor if you have a such chance. If not, well, you can use everything what you have, something like that. Yeah, looks a bit funny, but well, we'll use literally everything what might help. That's it. And yeah, if you go in the wild, it will be really good if you take care of some stuff like this one, elastic one, what I took it with me, and activated charcoal and so on. It might be super useful in some way. Alright, so that's it. Super simple. Hopefully it was interesting for you and useful. Okay, let's check the mirror of the cabbage. So inflammation in 2 days almost gone, just a little bit left.